All right, everybody. Today we are going to talk about the mycelium versus fruit body debate in the whole world of medicinal mushrooms. Okay, fruit body versus mycelium. I'm gonna start with what is that? Mycelium is the body of the mushroom. I've got some mycelium in here. This is one of our production bags. In about 2 weeks, it's gonna grow us a beautiful cluster of blue oyster mushrooms. It's the white in here. It's a single cell mesh that just spreads, and it is going to be digesting all of this wood and turning it into mushrooms for us. One of the things it does is interact with all the millions and billions of bacteria, viruses, other fungi, parasites. So it's hypothesized that the mycelium produce tons of amazing molecules for your body. This turns into a mushroom, and that is the fruit body of the mushroom. So the mycelium is like the body, or it's like the roots, the bark, the leaves of a plant, and the mushroom is gonna be the flower and the fruit that it produces. Nori's gotta get some scratches. That's the difference between fruit body and mycelium, and then I'm gonna talk about like why it's not a debate. Fruit body. Only for the last very short period of time have people been working with mycelium and discussing mycelium, whereas fruit body has thousands of years of traditional use and then decades of scientific research. So you've got two different paradigms that support fruit body as a traditional medicinal source. This reishi, these are all fruit bodies coming out of a block of what was mycelium, and this is what we use for the medicine. This is what's been studied, this is what's known, and this is what gets results. That's just the end of it. Fruit body gets results, period. Mycelium might. There's also different compounds in mycelium and the fruit body. I'm not saying mycelium is bad, but there's just a lot less information about which ones are in which. There is good information, I think, about turkey tail and lion's mane, that they do have a different suite of compounds, but there's far more information about the compounds that are in the fruiting body right now. So again, the information about fruit body is just more reliable, and it exists and it's out there. They may have different compounds and different benefits. I think they're both gonna be very valuable. The state of the production situation right now is we have more access to fruit body than we do mycelium, and the grain-based mycelium is no bueno. It's not really a debate right now, it's a marketing strategy, because if you go into the research that's been done, it has been done with fruit body or fruit body extracts, and that's about it. That does not mean that mycelium isn't valuable or potentially valuable, but almost nothing has been done, and a lot of the research that's been done is connected, like kind of has an interest in selling a certain type of mycelium products, and those products are grown on myceliated grain. So I don't have a spawn bag here, but when we grow these mushrooms, each one of these little circles of mycelium growing out comes from a little piece of cooked grain that gets inoculated with the mushroom mycelium. So basically the way that they grow mycelium supplements is they grow the mycelium on a bunch of grain like brown rice, and then dry all of that out and just grind it up. So at the end of the day, you're basically taking a little brown rice pill with some mushroom material in it. Very, very little. There's a couple people investigating it, but they're actually tied to trying to sell you stuff. So it becomes a marketing thing that they're saying mycelium is really great because we think it's gonna do this stuff. But that's kind of where it ends. One person said that because the fruit body has a short-lived experience, like they just grow and then they rot and die, that they're not valuable as a medicine. That's the most ridiculous thing I've ever heard in my life. That's like all logical fallacy and all I'm trying to sell you my stuff. So that's like saying because a vegetable doesn't last very long, that it's not good for you while it's fresh. Like, think about that. That just doesn't work, okay? Those people are just trying to sell you stuff, and it's not good. Just find a fruit body extract, go with that, and then investigate people that are making mycelium. In terms of fruit body, you can eat the whole fruit body, or you can do a fruit body extract powder. There are benefits to each one. The extract powder is a concentration of a lot of the beta glucans, and I think the other compounds are triterpenes. I'm not gonna know all the names of them. I would encourage you to go look up what the different compounds are. In those extract powders, you can get them at higher concentration, but you lose a lot of the insoluble fiber and soluble fiber and the chitin, which is good for your digestive system. We do some extract, we sell some extract, but go find a local farm that's doing it. The homesteading practices, the double extracting method, it works. You are definitely getting an extract of the beneficial compounds in the mushroom. Right now, the mushroom supplement world is absolutely exploding. Everything has mushrooms added to it, and most of that is garbage. Like, you're just getting a little bit of brown rice in your like mushroom infused soda, and they're gonna tell you that it makes you feel euphoric and all this stuff. It's all marketing. We're gonna be doing some marketing too. We gotta play that game, but just if you're trying to incorporate these mushrooms in your life, take them in their most valuable form, which is a fruit body. Eat it or get it in an extract or an extract powder, or get a dried mushroom powder, freeze-dried mushroom products. Those are actually really good. That is all I have to say about that. It's not really a debate, it's a marketing strategy. So, have a good day.